Hello, this is Jedidiah Watchman, and he is 22 months. He is going to be introducing, sharing with us the sounds of his letters.
Okay, Jeddy, can you tell me where is the Z? Can you find the Z? There it is. There it is. What's under it? Zoo and zebra. Good, Jeddy. Can you tell me where is the There it is. Vine and violet. Good job, Jeddy. Yeah. Where is the X? X, X. Which one is X? Which one is X? There it is. Fox and X. Good job, Jed. Okay. How about the where's the ostrich and octopus? Good job, Jenny. Okay, where's the red and rabbit? There's the red. Yeah, there. Where's the rabbit? See the rabbit? Where's the rabbit? There it is. Where is the yeah? Which one? Yeah, it looks like a cow. That's a yak. A yellow yak. And what's this one, Jen? Can you tell me what? Yeah, that's right. No. You want some more? No. Okay. Jenny, where is the wha? Where's the wha? There it is. Watch and whale. Good. Where is the s? There it is. The snake. Where's the snake? There's a snake.